Welcome to the top best. The best baking pan is probably one of the most versatile kitchen tools you can own. From brownies to casseroles, a reliable 9x9 baking pan with a lid is a must-have for any home cook. In this video, we'll dive deep into the features, benefits, and overall value of this essential kitchen staple, helping you decide if it's the right fit for your baking needs and lifestyle. Number 5. Stock your home 9x13 foil pans with lids. Get ready to fire up the grill. These aluminum foil pans are perfect for baking, grilling, and roasting. You can also use them to store food for delivery or takeout. Made from premium aluminum foil, this product is both eco-friendly and recyclable. After you're done, simply toss them away, making cleanup a breeze. This pack includes 25 foil pans and 25 lids. The dimensions of the pan are 12.5 L x 10.25 W x 2.5 H. The lid is the same size. These premium aluminum pans are eco-friendly, recyclable, and safe for the dishwasher, oven, and freezer. They are designed for your convenience. Get yours today and experience the convenience and quality of these foil pans. They are perfect for any occasion. What we like. These disposable foil pans are perfect for grilling and baking. They are also eco-friendly and recyclable, making cleanup a breeze. If you're planning a barbecue or need to cater a large event, this is a great choice. What people say. Great value for your money. These are sturdy aluminum pans. Also great for cooking baking in the oven. The size is great for casseroles, dips, and appetizers. They are super easy to use. So useful for baking a 10-layer cake. I was able to fit 2 side by side in my oven, so with 3 layers I was able to get 6 pans in at one time. Really easy to clean as well and reuse. Number 4. OXO Good Grips 2 QT Glass Baking Dish with Lid. This baking dish is made with strong borosilicate glass. It can withstand extreme temperature changes without cracking or shattering. You can take it straight from the freezer to the oven. The glass won't stain or absorb odors, making it easy to clean. This feature ensures that your food tastes fresh every time you use it. It's a convenient and practical choice for any kitchen. It features generous handles that provide a safe and secure grip. This design makes it easy to transport the dish in and out of the oven. You'll appreciate the added safety and convenience. Convenient dimension markings ensure you're baking with the right size. This helps you to measure your ingredients accurately. It's perfect for both novice and experienced bakers. This dish is microwave safe, dishwasher safe, freezer safe, and BPA free. It offers ultimate convenience and versatility for all your cooking needs. It's a great addition to any kitchen. What we like. This baking dish is made of strong borosilicate glass. It can withstand extreme temperature changes, going from freezer to oven without a problem. If you're looking for a versatile dish that's easy to clean and can handle a wide range of temperatures, you should consider this one. What people say. The lid fits well. The pan is easy to clean. The perfect size for brownies. Number 3. Nordic Ware Square Cake Pan with Lid. This square cake pan from Nordic Ware is perfect for baking at home or taking your treats on the go. It comes with a convenient lid for easy transport and storage. Made with pure aluminum and a galvanized steel rim, this pan is built to last. It won't warp or rust, ensuring consistent baking results every time. The pan's interior dimensions are 9x9 by 2.5 inches, perfect for square cakes. The exterior dimensions, including the lid, are 9.8 by 10.1 by 3.3 inches. The included lid makes it easy to transport and store your baked goods. It keeps your cakes fresh and protected. This Nordic Ware cake pan is proudly made in the USA. You can trust the quality and craftsmanship of this product. What we like. This pan is made of durable aluminum with a convenient lid for easy transport. The lid makes it perfect for taking your baked goods on the go. If you like baking and sharing your creations, this is a great option. What people say. The lid fits well. The pan is sturdy. The handles are a nice feature. Number 2. Wilton Platinum 9x9 inch Square Brownie Pan. Introducing the Wilton Platinum Pan. It's built to last, with a Duralast coating that's 5 times more durable. This means it can handle all your baking needs. This 9 by 9 inch pan is perfect for brownies and small cakes. It offers flexibility for any occasion, from family gatherings to special events. With its Duralast nonstick coating, cleanup is a breeze. Food releases quickly, making baking and serving easier than ever. Crafted from high-quality steel with a sleek silver finish, this pan adds elegance to your kitchen. It's designed for exceptional performance. Enjoy peace of mind with a limited lifetime warranty. The pan is both dishwasher and microwave safe, making it a convenient choice. What we like. This pan boasts exceptional durability with its Duralast coating. The non-stick surface makes baking and cleaning effortless. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-use pan with a lifetime warranty, you should consider this one. What people say. The lid fits well. The pan is sturdy and easy to clean. The size is perfect for brownies and other baked goods. Number 1. Caraway Sage 9x13 Nonstick Ceramic Rectangle Pan. Great news! The Caraway Rectangle Pan is now available on Amazon. It's beautifully designed and made with care, perfect for upgrading your baking and kitchen style. This pan features a naturally non-stick ceramic coating. It requires less preparation before baking and is easy to clean, making your baking experience healthier and more convenient. The Caraway Rectangle Pan is made with your health in mind. It's free of harmful chemicals, ensuring it's safe for you, your family, and the environment. This pan is built to withstand high oven temperatures. After baking, simply hand wash it and store it properly to keep it in great condition. Whether you're baking brownies, lasagna, or something else, this pan is perfect. It's a great addition to any cook's or baker's collection, whether for yourself or as a gift. What we like. This rectangle pan features a naturally non-stick ceramic coating. It's also free of harmful chemicals, ensuring healthy baking. If you are looking for a non-toxic pan that makes baking brownies a breeze, this is the one for you. What people say. The lid fits perfectly. The pan is the perfect size for brownies and other baked goods. The pan is easy to clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.